the BJP now has trained guns at Rahul Gandhi after the Supreme Court rebuked the Congress MP over his claim that more than 2,000 kilometers of Indian territory had been annexed by China, saying that a true Indian would not have made such a remark. Well, the government says that Rahul Gandhi has been a habitual offender and now his credibility is at stake. He needs to stop making such baseless comments. Well, during his 2022 Bharat Jodo Yatra, the Congress MP had claimed that China had occupied 2,000 square kilometers of Indian territory and Chinese troops were thrashing Indian soldiers in Arunachal Pradesh, to which the court reprimanded Rahul Gandhi, asking, you being the leader of opposition, why would you make such statements? Why would you say such things? Why will you not ask these questions in the parliament rather? Listen in to Union Minister Kiren Rijiju and my colleague Aishwarya gets us more on that.
Supreme Court has straightforward rebuked Sri Rahul Gandhi ji for making unsubstantiated claim that thousands of square kilometers of Indian territory are being occupied by the Chinese army. This kind of statement from the leader of opposition is extremely harmful for the nation and it demoralizes our forces. So we have been making appeal to Sri Rahul Gandhi not to make such kind of unsubstantiated statement.
Well, that's right. A massive attack by the Bharatiya Janata Party over the Supreme Court pulling up Rahul Gandhi as far as the observations are concerned on Galwan and how he had stated during the Bharat Jodo Yatra that almost 20,000 square kilometers of land has been taken by the Chinese. It is Kiren Rijiju, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, who had stated that India needs a responsible leader of opposition. He should mend his ways and he should be responsible. He can't just comment. While Supreme Court observations have come out, this is an indication that he speaks without any knowledge, and the facts that he had put out are absolutely baseless. These are false. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on the floor of the House time and again stated that not even a single inch of the country had been taken by the Chinese. In fact, the Bharatiya Janata Party went on to say that Rahul Gandhi first should describe that how and why there was an MOU that was signed between him and the Chinese Communist Party, why Rajiv Gandhi Foundation had been continuously taking donations from the Chinese. What is that Rahul Gandhi always speaks about the interest of the West?
Well, a big embarrassment for the Congress party and Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, with the court clearly coming down heavily on the Congress MP, saying that a true Indian wouldn't make such a remark. Well, this definitely has put Rahul Gandhi in a tight spot, and the Congress party also is facing a lot of embarrassment at the moment. Well, we have spokesperson of the BJP, Asif Bhamla, spokesperson of the Congress, Sarul Patel, joining us here on the broadcast. Mr. Patel, if I could come to you first, why would Rahul Gandhi go on making such a claim with no evidence to back it? And now Supreme Court also has come down heavily on him, saying that if he was a true Indian, he wouldn't have made such remarks.
Let's get this straight. Rahul Gandhi did not insult the army. He quoted the army. The real insult is when Prime Minister says, no one has entered our territory 4 days after 26 of our soldiers have died in Galwan. And that's not statesmanship, that's surrender. And if asking for accountability is defamation, then all the 1.2 billion citizens are guilty. So this government's China policy is built on DDLJ: deny, distract, lie, and justify.
Mr. Patel, Rahul Gandhi had said that China occupied 2,000 square kilometer of our territory. On what basis did he make that comment?
I'm coming to that, Kitty. If there was no territory loss, then why is the army chief continuously saying that we have to go back to the position of April 2020 and restore the status quo ante? So that means that status quo ante on ground on the LOC has changed. And here is the clip of the BJP's Ladakh MP himself, if you can show it on the screen, where he is claiming that China has occupied the territory from his constituency. So this is the BJP's Ladakh MP himself claiming so. So if Rahul Gandhi is international, so is BJP's
speak on the
Is-
current
Mr. Bhamla?
situation.
Mr. Bhamla, is China occupying Indian territory a other issue? I'm ashamed that you
We
would say
are
that
speaking
on national TV.
about the resistance of the court, and if you want to divert the topic to China and Galwan, that is not right. Yet the subject matter here is himself, Rahul Gandhi. Freedom of speech versus accountability. That is the main question. Freedom of
No,
speech.
Mr. Bhamla, are you saying?
Mr. Patel,
Can I-
Mr. Patel,
can I-
first of all,
can-
Mr. Patel,
can I-
you know, Rahul Gandhi needs to have some concrete evidence in hand before making such claims, before saying that 2,000
Now, can
square
I put
kilometer
forward
of
my point?
our land has been taken by China. He doesn't have
Can
any
I put
evidence to
forward
prove
my
that.
point?
Mr. Bhamla, please make your point, yes.
So it is freedom of speech under Article 19(1)(a). It's not is not absolute. It comes with duties, responsibilities, especially for elected representative. If you're a leader of opposition, you're an extremely responsible person. You're not just an ordinary member of parliament. You see, so the Supreme Court has clearly drew the line that that such serious sensitive allegations must be raised in the parliament. You have the parliament session. Why aren't you raising these issues in the parliament? Why do you stammer in front of the parliament? And how can you always pinpoint at the army? Today, the armed forces, you're helping Pakistan, our enemy nation, indirectly. His speeches are shown with full morale. He has been clapped and given full support in the Chinese television.
Mr. Bhamla, if
So
anyone is
he in
supporting
India? No, let me
Pakistan, it
complete
is
my point, please.
Bharatiya
Let me
Janata
complete my
Party
point.
and their government,
Is he
who, despite the operation,
Can I complete my point? I'm
despite
not
them
getting a
killing
fair chance
26
to complete my
citizens in
point, please.
Pahalgam,
I'm not getting a fair chance to
they have
complete the
restored
BJP
cricketing
stand.
ties with them. Will you hold them accountable?
Let me complete, please. Let me complete, then you can say. So the BJP stand is, and it has always been that it's nation first, you see, and the BJP respects free speech. We are not against that. Fine. If you feel you deep, and this is not something which is at our BS. It's the court which is deemed fit that such is not right. So now, if you want to even dispute or doubt the court, it is definitely a prerogative.
Mr. Patel, that's the question
of my
actually. The
colleague.
court also said that a true
Of
Indian wouldn't
Congress.
have
You
made
see,
such a statement.
at
And
a
it's not
time
the
when
BJP
India
that's
is
making that
standing
statement.
tall,
Kitty,
What
at a
would
time
you
when India
say
is
to the
standing tall on the
court making
global
such
stage,
strong observations
such
on Rahul
careless
Gandhi's
and
statement?
If you would let me
unpatriotic
respond without any
statements
interruption.
only
Mr.
Here is an
Bhamla,
article.
I'll just come back to you.
adversity.
Let Mr. Patel respond to that.
You see,
Here is an
at a
article
time
from
when when
NDTV
the country is standing tall, such statements,
Here is an article from
will
NDTV's
carelessly
website
only
itself,
help
which claims that
help
China
our
has
adversity.
built 33 bridges in our territory. Here is the statement of the BJP MP Tapir Garo in the parliament, where he claimed that China has entered 60 kilometers into the Indian territory.
60 kilometers.
So,
You're, I
50
don't
to
know, I'll
60
have,
kilometers.
Sorry, how much is
I will
that?
play the video. I will just play the video.
And your leader said 2,000 kilometers? 2,000 square kilometers
Square
of land?
kilometers of the territory, and he said 60 kilometers inside our territory.
Who said that? I can't see. I'll have to verify that.
Mr. Tapir Garo, BJP MP
Why
from
aren't you
Arunachal.
speaking on
So
the
is
facts
he
and
said
why
it on
aren't
the
you-
floor of the house.
Why aren't you
He said
talking
it,
about what
Mr.
the court
Bhamla.
is-
Mr.
No,
Bhamla,
your
please,
leader
please
said,
have
I'm talking
patience.
about what your
Please
leader
have
has
patience.
claimed. Your leader has claimed
putting
2,000
across a
square
point which
kilometers
we are
of
not
land
putting. This is
was
the final
taken over
court.
by China
The
without
Supreme
any
Court.
proof. Where is the proof? That is what we are asking here. And the
Now
court
you're
had
not-
said you
you're
can't
stop-
just go
started
on making such
disrespecting the
baseless
court now
comments.
also.
That is what the BJP also now
The BJP
now is
MP
asking.
from, I have showed you the clip from the Ladakh BJP MP of the time, who claimed that China has entered deep inside his own constituency, which is the Ladakh, which is that they have violated LOC and they are harassing his constituents. This
But
is on record.
we are talking-
The BJP MP from
talking about-
Arunachal,
talking about-
Tapir Garo, has said that China has
We're
entered
talking
50
about Arunachal
kilometers.
Pradesh right now. We're talking about Arunachal Pradesh. Are you trying
So
to divert the
coming
topic?
I'm-
Mr.
No,
Bhamla.
I'm not. I'm
Okay,
not.
let me give
Miss
some time to
Kitty,
Mr.
no, Miss
Bhamla
Kitty.
also.
Miss Kitty,
He's not
I
letting
have
me
given
speak.
him uninterrupted. I have
He's not
heard him
letting me speak.
uninterrupted.
He's not letting
No,
me
Mr. Patel, I'll
no,
come back to you.
you're-
Let me take a response from Mr. Bhamla.
Yeah. At a time when India is standing tall, you see, on the global stage, Such careless and unpatriotic statements only serve our adversaries. What I'm trying to say is to my friend from the Congress is we are nothing against. It's fine. You keep doing these things. You have done this in the past. You've always reduced the morale of the Indian Army. But let me tell you, this gives energy to them. Why didn't Mr. Gandhi raise these so-called concerns in the parliament? The Supreme Court has asked a very valid question. Where were you there? Did Rahul Gandhi witness these events or verify any facts before this army statements
So
contradicted
now, if
his
you would
claim?
allow me to
You see,
if you would allow me to
army
explain,
statement, the
no, if you
army
would allow
statement
me to
contradicted
explain,
his
I will
claim.
give you time. Let
army
Mr.
chief,
Bamla make
The
his point. I'll
army
come back to you.
has categorically stated that the Chinese forces were repelled during the during the clash. Yet Rahul Gandhi's version painted a very demoralizing picture, and I don't see why. Why do you have to? Why do you always paint a poor story for India or the Indian armed forces? I understand your animosity with our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Yes, that is fine. You keep that with you. But please, my request with folded hand is that you're a spokesperson. You should put this forward. And now that the court has also resented to this, and in spite of that, the argumentations are going on, and there seems to be no. And let me tell you this:
And on
the
Ladakh, you
enemy
know what? It's not just
enemy
Arunachal Pradesh.
nation
You were
is
giving the
getting
example of
enough of
Ladakh. No, Mr.
ammunition
Patel.
against us.
In America, Rahul Gandhi, when he went to America, he's claimed Chinese troops had occupied land the size of Delhi in Ladakh. That is what he said. About 4,000 square kilometers of Indian territory. You're saying the Ladakh MP was saying 60? And now your leader goes on to make these claims in 2,000 square kilometer, 4,000 square kilometer when it comes to Arunachal and Ladakh. What is he trying to do here? What is he trying to say here? What is he trying to prove?
Ms. Kitty, I would like to point out that being 60 kilometer inside the territory and occupying 2,000 square kilometer of territory roughly comes to about the same number. So first of all, he has not said 2,000 kilometer inside the territory. He said China is occupying 2,000 square kilometer of territory, which roughly about equals to the 50-60 kilometer claim of the
On
Arunachal
what basis
MP.
has he said
Right?
that? That is what we are asking. That is what the Supreme Court said. Why didn't you give the proof then to the court?
MP Tapir Garo has said it on
No,
the floor
why
of the
didn't you give the
parliament.
proof to the court
So-
then? Why did your party have
Miss
to
Kitty,
face this
you
embarrassment then?
allowed Mr. Bhamla to speak
I allow you
uninterruptedly.
also to make, but you can't
Yes,
just go
so
on
please.
making baseless
No.
claims.
So
No, I've given you enough time as well.
You should have patience to listen to facts.
But you're giving baseless. You're also making baseless claims here. You're not actually stating facts here. All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Sarul Patel, Mr. Bhamla, for speaking to NDTV and sharing your inputs.
I have last 10
We'll come back to you
seconds,
later as we'll come
Can I
back to
have 10
this
seconds?
debate. We'll come back to this debate as more developments come in. Meanwhile, this is the latest that's coming in at the moment. We are learning after the Supreme Court's wrap, the BJP has now taken on Congress party and Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, saying that he shouldn't be making such claims. He has to mend his ways when it comes to such important topics. Well, remember the Supreme Court had rebuked Congress MP Rahul Gandhi over his claim that more than 2,000 kilometers of Indian territory had been annexed by China, saying that a true Indian would not make such a remark. The BJP now says that Rahul Gandhi's credibility is at stake and Rahul is a habitual offender and he needs to mend his ways. All right, we'll be getting you more on that in just a bit. This is the latest that's coming in. We've spoken to the BJP and the Congress party here. However, the Congress party is clearly embarrassed and Congress party doesn't really have, the Congress MP did not really have any evidence to prove it in the court, after which the Supreme Court came down heavily on Rahul Gandhi, clearly saying he shouldn't be making such baseless comments. And this was during his 2022 Bharat Jodo Yatra. The Congress MP had claimed that China had occupied about 2,000 square kilometers of Indian territory.